Hello from Erosa, Switzerland. So happy you're here. I decided to start a Work and Wander series. I've been traveling a lot, expanding my business in different countries, and wanted to just share the key takeaways on my lessons learned and ultimately helping you make better choices for your mindset, your leadership, and your digital legacy. So in case you're new here, hello, hi, my name's Golden, founder of House of Gold. I have a consultancy where I refine teams, organizations, leaders, creatives, projects, anything you name, honestly, to be honest. At this point, I've had so many different types of clients, but I refine leaders when it comes to their mindset, their leadership, their strategies, and their digital legacy. I want to talk about digital legacy though, because it is a new concept and I feel like we need to get tapped into the future. So I'm here to future-proof your brand, your legacy, who you are, whether that's a startup that you have, whether that's a brand that you want to develop, whether that's you as a consultant, as a coach. I want to help you secure yourself in the future. You see, a lot of people think they have to make choices, limiting choices in situations, but I want you to be aware, no, you do not. As a woman, I have not made many unintegral choices in my life. I'm really proud of the choices that I made and all of the dark, desperate situations I've been in. And one thing I learned from it is that your mind is actually what's leading you to the path of where you are right now. A digital legacy is the impact of your mind, your message, and your method, how you show up online. In the future, AI is going to know everything about you. Starting today, you're going to be more intentional, more aware of what you put online. As a business, as a director, as a team member, as a brand, as a leader, as a woman, as a man, who are you now is going to determine how AI in the algorithm perceives you in the future. It's not just content, it's presence. It's proof of who you are and what you built. And why it matters is because it is here to ultimately curate your experience in the future. It's here to intentionally outlive the algorithms and the trends passing through the World Wide Web. Long story short, you are here to not make the trend, but to be the original, the trendsetter. Anyone who enters House of Gold and watches any of my content, your mind is going to be refined to be a legacy-minded person and not just someone who's here to just join the cog in the machine and make money and not really make the world a better place. So it's a mixture of strategy and a mixture of soul. And if you're new here, then you're going to really love the content that I share because it's going to expand your perspective. It's going to leave you better than how you started. So I've led workshops globally, online, virtually, all around the world over the last 10 years when it comes to neuroscience, mindset refining, brand strategy, creative development, business development, team structure, operationals. I mean, there is almost no limit to what I can do. And it's because of the mindset that I have. A lot of people's mindset, I notice, are in a box and they're fixated. And that's amazing because a lot of people have gifts in that area of genius. My area of genius is operating outside of the box. My area of genius is taking all my skills in past lives and experiences and situations and research and certifications and putting it in a path that is aligned for you. Because I'm aware that everything here exists for everyone, I've had different phases of my own life that I've been through and now can be able to see things in different ways and ultimately in the same ways. I understand when someone's in a challenge. I know what mindset that is. I've overcame it. When someone is in a roadblock and a limiting belief, I understand that. I've overcame it. And because I've overcame these things with strategy, with insight, with intention, with integrity, I am here to help you do the same.